I'm going to show you how to play Cough Syrup by Young the Giant. Now, you have a bass progression that's going to go from a D chord to an A chord to a G chord and back to an A chord, all the way through the piece. The introduction, the way I've got it written out for you, is to go. Now let me show you. You've got your D chord, but I don't play the whole chord. I just play this D, F sharp, and then I hold that. And then I play the descending melody coming in the right hand, which is D, C sharp, B, B, A, B, C sharp. So you got, and then this just altered. And then you go to the next chord, and we hold that C sharp. So you've got D, F sharp, D. Then you go to the A, and you go A, E, C sharp, B, B, A, G, F sharp. So you just end that. So here we go together from that part. Into the G. So you go G, D, G, B, C sharp, and then just alternate that D the same way we did that. And then the vocals start. So the vocals start, once you do that, I think it's easiest to just play the chords like this. The D chord right there, you can play with a single note bass, but it's easier to play with the D chord right there. D, F sharp, and then instead of the A up here, put the A down there. And then go to the A chord right there. The G chord, back to the A chord. G chord right there. You can do the G either way. You can put it in either place with the G on top or G on the bottom. So here we go. With the verse, you've got melody here, F sharp. Let's see, let's make sure we get the melody. D, D, C sharp, C sharp, A, B, 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 A, D, C sharp. And then there's filler. D, C sharp, B, A, the melody, G, 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 B, 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 D, 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 E, C sharp, D, C sharp, B, A. And right there where I stop, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, E, E, D, 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 C sharp. Down to the A, D, C sharp, A, D, C sharp. They repeat that melody. Then G, G, D, G, D, D, C sharp, C sharp, C sharp, B, 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 A, D, C sharp, C sharp, B, A. Then you've got E, F sharp, E, F sharp, B, D, D, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, G, E, D, E, 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 F sharp, D. F sharp, F sharp, E, D, E, D, E, D, D, E, C sharp, D, C sharp, B, A, and ends that melody with C sharp, A. So we go back to the beginning, right? Okay, at the end there, after you get that, when you've got the when you go from the the D to the A to the G back to the A, then it goes back to a G right there and to the A just to end that. And then there's an interlude there. There's an instrumental interlude, and at the instrumental interlude, you can kind of ad lib to the thing. And then the verse comes in, but you can do all kinds of things with that chord progression. You can arpeggiate. So there you have, and you've got Young the Giant, cough syrup, Young the Giant. I've got, if you want the letter notes, I've got the letter notes for you right there. The chord progression, you've got the introduction, right hand melody by itself, and then you've got hands together with the chords. If there's another song that you want the notes for it, let me know and I'll try to put them up.